Guys, right now I'm with a little bird that fell down from its nest on top of a tree. If you see over there, you see in one It's not seeming to drink anything. I think it's hungry, not thirsty. So I'm going to let it go instead. See, it's a baby bird. I'm just putting it in my hands. Rub its head so it'll be calm. Also holding this to my it's running away because it's trying to find its mama. I'm trying to pick up and put it in the fridge. There its mama could find it. This guy's jumping and going everywhere. He's not holding still. Exactly how my sister Right now I'm going to put it in a position where the bird's mama. I think this is a bit of this. See, the bird is actually there. It's not home. Maybe it needs a bird. But its mama is over up there. But it'll die if I bring it inside. That's all it needs, survival. They're not thinking of pet or anything. They already have pet goldfish. Right now its head is very small. It has grown feathers, so that means it was born a long time ago. My mom said it fell down from the nest. If you see over here, the wings are there. And in the underside, it's still growing. The feathers are still growing. Mommy, look. Maybe placing it in a safer place will be nice. What about here?